Hey everybody, I'm just behind the scenes with Mary Rand, Marie Francois for their Arbor snowboard photo shoot, and look at this light, it's insane. We've just been skinning up this little place. It's gorgeous. Mike Yosh right behind me. Good day to be outside. I think it's January 9th and it's the full moon, so excited. We're gonna sleep in a little cabin. Hopefully the mice aren't too crazy. I'm a little scared of mice, but Marie says just to think of them as little fairies, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, Yosh, what's going on?
Oh, we're getting skinny.
As you brought, I'd say maybe we'll break even.
Let me fix this skin. Let me fix this.
What's going on?
Day 2. Scoping the pillows. Vlog. Number 69. It's like no lie.
That's what we're looking at. Hanging out this cabin out in the woods with Marie Francois and the Arbor crew, and Marie just made this little jump before breakfast and now she's doing a backflip. Alright Mary, what time is it? What's going on?
It's badass o'clock. Marie is the star of the show. She landed 2 backflips in a row.
Before 10 o'clock?
Before 10 o'clock.
I wanna go out and I wanna get loud. On the night like a star to cap out. I don't wanna take steps back. Drinks and me got my last paycheck. I wanna have fun, spin the earth around. Move my body till I shake the ground. Take the party to the outer space. You can reach me now, but you can come back. The sky's tonight is pitch black. Just let me float around my favorite moon. No way I'm leaving soon. I want a big, big dress. I wanna make a mess. I wanna be done.
Hey everybody, out here on the skin track doing some human-powered ski touring. We're looking for fun little bumps and jumps. Awesome time out here with Marie Francois and Mary Rand, aka Big Air Mare. Couldn't be happier. Day 3 out here with the girls for the Arbor snowboard shoot. I'm on my Armadas. It's a good day. Just a little behind the scenes business. Got Big Air Mare working on a jump down there. We got Yosh. Yep. Camera, and then look at this crazy gulch. We called it Sugar Land, Sugar Gulch. And Marie's gonna jump from there. And I don't know what the grab is called, but she's gonna do a grab and land and not hit us.
The Del Mar.
The Del Mar.
Front side job?
She's ready.
Yep, I'm good. We're good.
Okay, now we're on top of this chute, just getting ready. We have a little popper that we're gonna hit. I'm gonna do the one on the left, and Marie's gonna do the one on the right.
Oh, you're going on the left.
Mary,
You're going on the left.
I'm doing my transfer.
Oh, I'm sorry. My vert is right in your takeoff.
I told her it's no big deal. It's just great. She threw her vert, aka snowshoe, right on the lip of my jump, but
I thought you were hitting my jump too. You're welcome to.
no way. Hit my own shit.
I hit my.
Hit my own shit.
I create my own content.
Okay, look up. It's pretty sick, the video. Cheese!
She's gonna hike up and then go. Like, I think she's done speed. I'll throw a snowball at her on the lip. There's the lip.
And what was Mary just doing now? She was laying on the lip.
She is laying her whole body on the lip of the jump to harden it up.
To make it firmer.
Yeah, body heat makes the jump firmer, so then you can go and pop hard and go fast and go to the moon.
And you still do this too.
I haven't done this in a long time,
Like-
but I know people do it.
Yeah.
It's good.
And Mary, where did you learn about the hardening lip? Who taught you?
Body heat the lip. It's just science.
It's just that science.
The streets taught me everything I know.
Kids need to go to school. It's weird.
You don't need to go.
GoPro hot mom
GoPro
in the house.
Can you guys tell them to like and subscribe?
Like and subscribe.
Right there, just push the button. Just push it.
GoPro hot mom. Press it. Check it. Click it. Lick it.
Lick it, flick
Lick
it.
No place to escape.